Hey, what are you doing?
You are under arrest.
I thought you were a fireman. Now I'm under arrest.
Yeah.
Let me see. Are you putting out the fire?
I'm spraying you.
Who are you? What's your name? Are you Fireman Liam? Are you creepy? Yeah, it's a tongue. Or are you like special? What are you doing? What are you doing? Check out this firefighter outfit. He's like in his drawers. Whoop. 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 All right, creepy. All right, go put out the fire. Hurry, hurry.
I put out the fire.
High five. Good work.
I put out the fire, ma'am.
Good work, sir.
I put out the ma'am.
Thank you.
I mean the fire for you, ma'am.
Thanks, Booby Bear.
No. I'm a sir. I'm a fireman. You're a sir.
I'm not a sir. I'm a girl, so I'd be a ma'am.
That's I called you, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Whoa! Whoa, little break dancer. Woo!
That's an Isaac Spider-Man.
You did dance like Spider-Man.